Recently, I moved the secretary onto the larger wall. Since it's been a creative companion for a while now, I felt it deserved a bit of breathing room. This will be my main project this year. A place to put ideas, just in case I want to visit them later. A tiny little room where I can share part of my story. Right now, I'm starting with the middle shelf. I'm building the walls outside first, because nothing in the secretary is square anymore. It's old and it's shifted over time. So instead of fighting that, I'm choosing to work with it. Nothing too complicated. Just some foam core and a bit of balsa wood for now. I don't know exactly what it's going to become over time, but I do know it's not about building the perfect space. I'd like something warmer than that. Something softer, cozier. Something that feels like it's been lived in, even at a tiny scale. A quiet little space that might tell a story when no one is watching. These fabrics, I bought them last year. They were intended for a different project. One that never quite fully came together. I feel it's a little bit of a shame to let them go unused. I've been saving these furniture kits too. Holding on to them, waiting for the right project. Instead of painting the walls completely, I decided I wanted to make my own wallpaper using fabric. It's something that I used to do years ago when I first learned how to sew. This time around, I wanted to feel warmer and a bit more cheerful. I find there's something comforting about fabric on walls. It makes a space feel lived in. I keep telling myself I want to experiment more. Try some new colors, try some new patterns. And yet, I'm choosing a blue check again. Some of my favorite things, they never seem to change. I didn't expect it to feel like a tiny hub of creativity this quickly. but somehow it does. I have a general idea in mind how I want this to look. A small cozy cabinet where my ideas can live. But I'm not in a hurry to finish it. This particular project feels like it needs time, so I'm moving through it slowly. I'm not working from a master plan. I'm using this time to teach myself not to overthink. To let each space unfold and to notice what feels right. There are things I would like to include inside, but I'm giving myself permission to change my mind, to shift directions, to let go of ideas if they stop making sense. Experimenting feels like enough for me. I'm not aiming for perfection, and I'm not worried if things don't line up exactly. I just want to try some new materials and look at familiar things a little differently. This project is solely for me. A way to reconnect with the curious, quieter, more patient part of myself. In the past, I would have pushed myself to keep going, trying to reach the finish as soon as possible. Later, I wouldn't remember much about how I made it, only that it was done. This time, I want to remember the process. I'm not trying to arrive anywhere quickly. Just stay in the moment. Take one step, then the next, and enjoy the creative process. But for now, this part feels like enough.